Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Holbrook and Baby Echo. We're so excited to see you. Let's start with our warm up, and we want to make sure that we really have all these digraph sounds down. Are you ready? Here we go. TH, thumb. Remember to repeat after me when Baby Echo looks at you. WH, whistle. CK, sock. SH, ship. Sh. CH, chin. Ch. And now for our standard cards. A, apple, A. B, b. D, d. E, ed, e. I, ich, I. J, j. O, octopus, ah. Q, u, qu. U, up, W, w. SH, sh. Very nice job. And next, my friends, we will sing these beautiful little vowels. What color are the vowels again? Yeah, they're the pink cards, the salmon ones. And all syllables and all words have to have a vowel. Ready to sing with me? Let's do it together. Here we go. A, apple, a. E, ed, eh. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Very nice job. All right, let's play with some words. Are you ready? Okay, everybody. How many words do you see on my board? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. We have 6 words. And all of them have something in common. Take a close look at them. What do they have the same? What do they have in common? Yeah, they each have a bonus letter at the end. So we are going to mark these words and read them. Let's start with this word right here. I'm going to mark the digraph. What does it say, everyone? Sh, eh, ul, shell. And while I point here, you can tap the sounds to help you read. And I'll put that star over the bonus L. 2 letters, 1 sound. What's the word? Shell. Very good. Let's try this one. K, cuff. The cuff is like this part on your sleeve. Let me mark that bonus F, because when F, L, and S are at the end of a word right after a vowel, we have to double them. We have to put a bonus one, an extra one. That's the rule. Let's try this one. Let me underline the digraph, mark it up. Read it with me. Ch, I, o, chill. And what will I put a star on? The L. Yeah, and some people just do their stars like that if it's easier for them. So we have shell, cuff, chill. Let's try this one. Off, off. And here's our star for the bonus letter. Read it with me. Fuss. And a star. Don't fuss. And how about this word? Miss. And our star. Why don't you go ahead and try to read all of those words again by yourself? Go ahead. Very nice. And the next thing I'm going to have you try to read all by yourself is a sentence. So I'm writing it right now. And when I hold it up, I first want you to try it on your own. Okay? Great. It's a long sentence, so you might want to pause the screen to read it. Tap out all the words you need and take your time. Okay, now I'm going to scoop it and I want you to try to read it with me. Here we go. Tim will fill your dish with fish. The scoops help us be smooth. Let's do it again. Tim will fill your dish with fish. And what are you picturing in your head? Who's Tim? Maybe the waiter at a restaurant? Yeah, and I'm picturing him putting tons of fish on your plate. Do you like fish? Some people do, some people don't. Okay, everybody, I have some trick words for you. You ready to learn 2 new trick words? Okay, then come on over here to the trick word studio. Okay, we have our sentence frames up and we'll get ready to have some space for the new words. Okay, remember we'll start with an uppercase and end with a period or maybe a question mark. Let's hear our sentence. Repeat after me. Can you help Bill? Ooh, did you hear my voice go up? It's actually a question. So we're going to need to count out our words. Let's see. Can you help Bill? There's 4. And then we need our tall frame for the question mark. Okay, watch me write it. Uppercase C, can, space, you, space, help, space. And you know what? We need to do a capital letter for Bill because it's someone's name. So we always do capital letters for names of things. Okay, and I'm going to circle this word. This is our new trick word. See if you can figure out what it is while I read. Can you help Bill? What word is this? That's right, it says you. Let me write it up here. Y. The Y sounds like itself in you. Ooh. But then we have OU. That's what makes it tricky. OU doesn't usually say ooh. You. This is a trick word, so we have to really practice how to spell it. Now watch this. I'm going to change the sentence up a little bit and do another word. It's going to be a question again, so listen to my voice go up. Repeat after me. Is this your dog? Let's count the words. Is this your dog? 4 words again and a question mark. So I'll start with an uppercase. Is this your dog? And I'm going to circle my trick word. See if you can figure it out. Is this your dog? Shout it out. What's that trick word? It's your. Yep. Or. Look at you and look at your. What's the difference? Yeah, we add an R. So this part and this part sound the right way. It's the middle. It's that OU again. But by remembering you and your together, you can remember just to add on that R. Let's really practice spelling these, okay? I want to stand up with you. We put our arms out straight and we're going to write in the sky with 2 fingers. Picture the ink coming out of your fingers as we write. Here we go. Let's start with you. Y-O-U. You. Now take that finger and let's write it on our desktops. Y-O-U. You. Okay, let's try your. Same thing. Y-O-U-R. Your. Finger and close your eyes. Y-O-U-R. Your. Nice job, my friends. And now we will put them into our notebooks to really help us remember them. So we need to go to the part that says trick words. And what letter will we find? Yeah. You'll find the Y to put in you and your. And in some of your books, it might look a little different. It might not look like this, but you'll still add it to the trick word part. You and your. Pause the screen right here. until you finished copying these into your notebook. Okay, and next, my friends, you need your whiteboard. We are going to do some dictation. So find your whiteboard and your dry erase marker. Always make sure you're using this marker and not a different kind of marker because it won't erase. And we are going to do 3 words. So you can number down the side. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and let's go ahead and do the words. Repeat after me. Well. They get water from the well. Let's tap out well. W, eh, ul. Let's spell it together. What says w? W, eh, e, l. Go ahead and do each one and write it on your board. Each tap. If you need to look in your student notebook to help you, you can. And you can also look up here at mine when you're done or when you're ready. Let's tap out what we wrote. W, eh, ul. Oh, when it ends with L, right after the vowel, we need to put another L. That's the bonus letter. Make sure you have the L and put your star right over it to show that it's a bonus. Okay, let's try another one. Repeat after me. Fell. He fell down the hill. Let's tap it. Eh, ul. And write it. Pause if you want more time to write fell. And when you're ready, check it with mine. Eh, ul. Bonus L. And put that star. Great job. Let's try number 3. Repeat after me. Kiss. I'm going to kiss my son goodnight. Let's tap out kiss. Put your hands up with me. K-I-S. Write it. And it helps us to spell it out loud first if we can. When we say k, think what letter? I-S. K. You're right. K could be 2 letters. But since it comes before the I, it's a K. Okay, there's certain vowels that it's a K, and there's certain vowels that it's a C. Kiss. Okay, check it with mine when you're done. How did I do? I forgot about my bonus letter. Don't forget about your bonus letter. Put your bonus S and then mark it with your star. Let's read our 3 words. Well, fell, kiss. 2 rhyme. Which 2 rhyme? Well, fell. They rhyme because they sound the same at the end. Great job. We're going to erase our words and do 1 sentence. Last thing today. So give me all your brain power. Here we go. Repeat after me. I fell on the path. Okay, how many words do we have? I fell on the path. We have 5 words. So I'm going to go ahead and do my frames like this. I fell on the path. The is a trick word, so you could look in your notebook if you need to. And I is a trick word too. So go ahead and make sure you tap out all the rest. Pause here until you're done. Okay, if you're back, I hope you wrote your sentence. Pause if you need to finish. Okay, I'm going to read it and you point to each word and check that you have all the words. I fell on the path. Fix up anything you need to. And next, I want you to check that you started with an uppercase I and you ended with a period. And check your trick word, the. Pause here if you need to fix those things. And last, I want you to tap out all the other words and make sure that they're right. And when you've done that, you can check them with mine and pause and fix anything you need to. I fell on the path. Read it smoothly when you're done.